Fine, let us go with the problem number 44. Right, if the square of a number is added to the square of 28, the result is 1008. What is the number? Let the number be x. Right, let the number be x. But they asked here, if the square of a number, so square of a number is added to the square of 28 plus 28 square, we are going to get 1008. What is that number? X we need to find out. So x square is equal to 1008 minus 28 square. What is 28 square? That we need to calculate now. 28 into 28, 8 8 64, 6 carry, 8 to the 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. Correct? So 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. So this will become 1008 minus 784. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Right. 17 minus 7 minus 7 is 0 and 1. So x square is equal to 1024. So x is equal to square root of 1024. Now we need to find out the square root of 1024. How we are going to do that? So find the square root. Make two digits as one group from the right. This will become this. So 24 is going to be one group and 10 will become second group. Now 10, which is so less than 4 square, that is 16, and which is more than 3 square, that is 9. So let me start with 3. 3 3 is 9. Subtract here, 10 minus 9 is 1, and bring down 24. Add 3 to 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now place a number so that it is supposed to be divisible. So 62 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So it is completely divisible. The answer is 32. So the square root of 1024 is 32. The answer here is C.